I think that this event is a very good event for new homeowners as it has given us an exposure of different IDs and we can do the comparison on the spot itself. And also we have more exposure and chances to see other brands like furnitures or even water dispensers.
I will recommend this to my friends because it's a one-stop solution to all the homeowners.
Honestly, the discounts at this event are pretty crazy. So the next time it comes around, I think everybody should just sign up.
Home furnishing 满满的，
对，
每一张桌子都是满满的。
我刚才一走进来，我就看到哇，这次这样多人啊！
知道呢，我要讲 well， 我讲到 well， 我可以做他的代言人了，但是有点难，因为他代言人是他杀 ，OK？
对，
跟我对。
整容过后呢？
如果我
他整容过后，
你啊。
Renopedia is the #1 online renovation platform. I've been waiting for this moment.
Correct.
Okay, you all want us to talk because you all only want the price. You want a 2.5 worth of goods.
Congratulations, you win our grand first prize.
Because it's black color, so don't spin until the day.
Correct.
Thank you, Renopedia, and hope to see you at the next event.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia. Hope to see you at the next event.
Thank you.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.